Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these delicious, buttery, soft, and melt in your mouth chocolate orange shortbread cookie bars. This recipe is super simple, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is combine together granulated sugar and the zest of one large orange. You want to zest it directly into the bowl so you don't lose any of those delicious oils. And also make sure that you don't zest all the way through into the light orange part, or else it will be bitter. Now you want to mix it thoroughly. Use a spatula to rub the orange zest into the sugar like this. What this does is helps to release the delicious orange flavor from the zest. And I'm going to be adding in 200 grams of softened unsalted butter. You really want to make sure the butter is soft, or else the step will be a little bit difficult. You can also use a stand mixer or a hand mixer if you have one. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Once the butter and sugar is nice and creamy, we're going to add in all-purpose flour and dark chocolate chips. You can also use milk or even white chocolate chips if you'd like. Now we're going to mix this until it is fully incorporated. At this point, the mixture will look crumbly and dry, but it's going to all come together when we need it later. Now you're going to use your clean hand and going to bring the dough together into one large ball. Chocolate and orange are two flavors that are meant to be together. If you love this combo, then I also have another chocolate orange cookie recipe. It's more like a chocolate chip cookie, but orange and chocolate flavored. I will leave a link to that in the description box below as well. Now what we're going to do is transfer this dough into a greased and lined square pan. I'm going to use my hands to spread the dough out as evenly as I can. You can also use a spatula, but I find that it's just much easier to use your hands. And that's it. This shortbread recipe literally only has 5 ingredients. Now we're going to bake this at an oven preheated to 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how crispy you want your cookie bars to be. Once it's baked, you're going to let that cool down completely before cutting it up however you like. And as a last and optional step, I like to drizzle on some more melted dark chocolate. And that's it. These delicious chocolate orange shortbread bars are ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is simple, it is quick, but the taste is literally out of this world. Chocolate and orange, the flavors, they just blend so well together, and the cookie has the perfect texture. It is soft, crumbly, and buttery, and just amazing. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.